Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports hotspot sharing and that you have battery and data available. Next, open Settings and go to Network or Tethering, locate the portable hotspot option and tap it. Once there, create or edit the hotspot name first, then change security to none or open so no password is required. Do this now, because making it open changes connection behavior and why devices will join automatically. It also increases exposure, so proceed intentionally. Once the hotspot is unsecured, configure details to control usage and clarity. Set a clear SSID that avoids personal information. This helps people identify the network quickly and reduces risk. Then pick the radio band, use 4 GHz for better range versus 5 GHz for higher speed. Select a channel manually only if you see interference. Finally, enable client limits, idle timeout, or MAC filtering when available so you retain some control over who stays connected, even without a password. Activate the hotspot and immediately verify that another device can discover and join the SSID without a password. This confirms the open mode is active. Once clients connect, watch connected devices and data usage closely and turn the hotspot off when it's not needed to limit exposure. If a device cannot join, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then reboot your phone or router. Make sure the client's Wi-Fi is enabled and forget any previous network entries, because cached settings can block an open connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.